everyone, welcome back to another video content in my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to be updated on my latest video uploads. Alright, so on today's video, we're going to unbox a mic condenser. For more information, please refer to the description down below. So without further ado, let's go. And this item has been purchased from souk.com, and please note that you have phantom power. You have to buy as well the sound card along with this item because this needs to be powered. A mic condenser should be powered. It will not work immediately through your PC or laptop unless you buy some sound card, or if you have a budget, you can buy a phantom power to power this mic. So it's like that. Legendary vocal condenser microphone, patent with the crystal clear sound. Professional condenser microphone. This is a BM700 microphone out in the market. It's a generic one, it's not a branded. So for those who are really in tight of budget, you can just purchase this one along with the sound card on it. I will put all the information below description, just check it please. Join me to unbox it. What's in the package? Manual written in Chinese and English. Pop-up shield. So the package includes these items inside. We have the anti-wind foam cup, which is this one. We have the shock mount. We have the XLR 2-meter power cord, female XLR to 3.5mm jack. This goes to the laptop or PC. So this is the table holder where you will put and place your microphone holder, which is this one. This is adjustable. Made of metal. Finally, we have the BM700 microphone condenser. Made of metal. It's quite heavy. I like the way it's made of. Microphone, we have the microphone holder, shock mount, power cord, anti-wind foam cup, This is the jack XLR guide for the mic. If you have any questions, please don't forget to drop your questions, comment down below. For the pop-up shield, you can either place it on the top, below, whatever makes you comfortable, as long as it serves its purpose. So we are done everything. Please note that the mic condenser should be placed like this. And till the next video, and if you enjoyed this, please give a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and please stay safe, everyone.
I got broads in Atlanta. She's with the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.